Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the data list tag. What data list tag does, you have the drop down menu and you want to select some value and put into it. So this is the way you can do this. This is one of the way you can do this. So first you need to create an input, and it will be a list. So first you need to specify a list, and it has an attribute, so just type browsers and browsers, and then remove this. And now you need to use the data list, and it has a give it an ID, or it won't work. Browsers, and then what you need to do is create some options to it. So it has a what we call sub tag and options. What you need to do is type options into 5 because we need that, and just place tab. You need to make sure that it should be a browser. So okay, so first one we need is enter IE, that will be replaced by HEDGE, then Firefox, and then we have what we call Chrome, then Opera and Safari. Then when we're done with that, we need to do is create an input type, or you can also use button, that doesn't matter at all. So input type will be submit, and that's it, I guess, because you don't need to do anything with you, and that's here. And now what you need to do is here specify something like what we call I guess the choose browser. I know spelling is mistake, but that would be okay. So here, and you can select anything you want. Now you're gonna say, hey, I saw that's not look good. You can change it to another, doesn't appeal at all, because first I'm gonna choose, by CS property you can look good better. So this is the way you want. This is just a prototype of what we can look, I guess. So see you guys in the next tutorial.